So the iPhone is not the best phone in the world anymore.
Blasphemy.
Shut up. The Samsung S24 is the best phone in the world right now. Come on, look at it. Look at the beauty of it. It's made out of titanium. Look at it. I'm hitting it hard. See? It's great. Unlike an iPhone, probably would have broke at that point. I've had this phone for a couple months now, and I'm going to share my experience with you about it. I've always been a Samsung person, since I feel like iPhones are a little too simple for me to use. I mean, sure, I guess the iPhone takes better pictures than Samsung phones, but that's all it has going for it. Prove me wrong. Okay, sure, I guess, fine, whatever. I'll admit, I wasn't always a Samsung person. I love the titanium frame, and it makes me not want to put a case on it, but you know, better safe than sorry. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all the features, but I will say a few important ones that stood out to me. Let's talk about the S Pen first. It's a cool addition to the Ultra series that has only been on the Note series till now. It has some pretty cool gimmicks. One of them is my all-time favorite. By pressing this button with the camera on, and it takes a picture. If you're a person that likes writing notes on this pen, it can do a lot for you. For example, you can circle something to search it on Google, quickly organize notes, translate between 30 plus languages, and write notes with the screen off. Now, I don't really use a pen much, but I see value in it.
I found it.
Samsung has promoted this new AI feature that has mixed reviews on it. What it can do is use generative edit. It helps you edit your photos like this, for example. Here's a picture of my buddy Juan now. I want to get rid of this bag here, so I'll press the edit feature. Select the object I want to move, or remove it, then boom. It just works. This next feature is called Chat Assist. You can get real-time tone suggestions to make your writing sound more professional or conversational. And with AI built into the Samsung keyboard, you can now seamlessly translate and message friends and family in different languages with real-time translation, available in 13 languages. Now, let's talk about the battery life. Its average battery life lasts up to 30 hours, but with heavy use, it lasts up to 6 to 9 hours. Now, it's definitely longer than the battery life of an iPhone. And if they need to charge their phone, I have this feature called wireless power sharing. My friends own iPhones, and the thing is, all I hear is, damn, I need to charge my phone.
You want to top me off real quick?
Yeah, I got you. Go right ahead. And just like that, the phone is charging. What this does is when you activate the setting, it will tell you to put whatever you want to charge on the back of it like this. Then it will charge that thing. And then boom! Your phone still has battery for itself. Hey, sharing is caring, right? I love taking pictures with this phone. It's just so nice and crisp. Mwah. Chef's kiss. It has an incredible quad lens setup, which has a 200 megapixel wide resolution camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, and the new 50 megapixel telephoto lens which has 5x optical zoom. This even has a digital zoom that is 100 times, and it takes pretty good pictures of the moon, which I love. It's also pretty good at recording videos too, which can shoot at 8K but with 30 frames per second. Now, of course, if you want more frames, they can always switch to Ultra HD resolution with 60 frames or Full HD resolution with 60 frames. Now, I think the Samsung takes better pictures than the iPhone, and that comes down to my personal preference, but with this fact, the Samsung has better zoom than the iPhone. I've been a fan of Galaxies for a while now. They have all been great to me, and this is no exception. I love how Samsung is always innovating and not afraid to try out new things. I see the crazy engineering that goes into the design and all the bits. The software is immaculate and everything just works. It just works! And please like and subscribe as we will be putting out more content about all the cool tech that comes out next. I'm Isaac and I really appreciate you, and check this video out next.